What's up, everybody? Welcome back to 5 Days of Giveaway, Day 3. Got the graphic right this time. Hey, what do you know? So I do not have time to do the live stream here, so I'm just recording this a few minutes early, and I'm just going to put it up as a premiere. But we're just here to see out who wins. Let's do it. We are Day 3. Let's go. Satish, congratulations. You've got 1 hour. Rafa, don't know. Martina Hawkins, you've got one. Matt, hey Matt, you got one. Not me, Matt. Another Matt. And Thom G, hey, look at that. Congratulations, everybody. You all have 1 hour of support. Feel free to respond to the email that I'll be sending to you. There are still 2 more days left. And then on that last day, there is a grand prize giveaway of a 5-hour support package bundle. That's going to go to one lucky winner on top of the additional 5 that I've been pulling every day. Sign up. You can still sign up. Thanks, everybody.